What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. This is your Monday Madness, and I got a fantastic one for you. But what I need you to do right now is hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you to come along with us on the journey and check that description tab out. Tons of tools and tidbits and all the hyperlinks to make you a more successful trader. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with me, then all I got to say to you is follow me, and let's go to war together. Traders War Room, let's get it. All right, team, welcome back, guys. I want to invite you to come trade with the Bulls at Traders War Room. Truly, we have something for everyone on the Traders War Room platform. Whether you want those real-time buy and sell alerts, we got the algos, bell-to-bell live trading, one-on-one mentor, live classes, fantastic community. Again, something truly for everyone. Check us out today. All right, team, before we get started, let's go ahead and check out some recent alerts. We're going to start off with our trade on Zillow. Guys, this was a swing trade. We went ahead and secured some more on this one. We got 25% left. And guys, this is a little bit of pocket change, but you know what? It's green, and any type of green is good green, guys. Fantastic trade so far, and I think we still got some more downward pressure on this particular ticker. Taking full advantage of the downward trend that we had on Friday and the absolute just mudslide, and we went ahead and secured for big profit today. Look at that. SPY, money. Apple, money. AMD, money. All swing trades, baby. All Traders War Room. Oh, wait, and there's more. That CCJ, remember that was the YouTube trade. That was our 5th YouTube trade. We went ahead and secured on that, and that's 5 for 5 on the YouTube trades. And XOM absolutely demolished that, guys. Who else gives you these consistent hits over and over and over again? Traders War Room does, baby. You need to come get some. And Tesla, obviously secured on Tesla as well. Guys, with so many ways to make money and various tickers, why are you not part of Traders War Room? And those of you that follow the YouTube channel, you guys already know we had our 6th free trade right here. We went ahead and got in Chewy, and we were able to secure some profits on that one and went ahead and swung it. See what we got going on tomorrow. And even though I do alert our YouTube trades on the platforms, I keep the specific entry and the tickers and everything like that just for you guys, okay? So for the loyalty that you guys give me for following and giving some love to Traders War Room on the YouTube channel, I get you guys back, okay? There was the entry into that trade, 186. We trimmed a little bit and left a little bit to run into tomorrow so we can secure full potential on this trade and make that 6 for 6, baby. Any of you that follow me, you guys know I put out the consistent hits like these all the time. You want consistent alerts like these? Then join Traders War Room today, traderswarroom.com, and get on one of our platforms. All right, now let's get into the main part of the video, what looks good and what has potential. Here's how your markets close. We are red again today. We had a little bit of, blast into the green territory in some of the indexes, but ultimately we ended up closing lower again as well. So definitely I still see some bearish sentiment going in. We could possibly have a relief day tomorrow, but don't get too excited about the bear, reversal is no longer, and the bull run is still intact. Guys, I do believe that we're still going down, so just be prepared for some more downward sliding. Picture representation of the S&P 500. Guys, you can see where all the big money is spent, and the big money was red. I'm expecting some more red tomorrow, and definitely we could see a little bit of bounce and a little bit of relief rally, but like I said, don't get too hung up on that and go extremely long. Play the momentum, ride the trend, and make sure you follow where the big money's flowing. Here's your indexes. Energy was up, technology was down. Calls versus puts, a little bit more to the call side, but that's after the huge slide on Friday and pushing into today. So like I said, we could definitely see a little bit of relief rally, but do not get it twisted, okay? The big money is going to be looking to secure profits when they start seeing the little hints of the reversal coming in. So just don't get too excited and go too long on the trade. Remember, we're trading momentum, we're trading the trend, we're following the big money. Dark pool, some big prints on Triple M and SPY, and we got a couple other ones that got some big volume. AGG, Microsoft, Apple, the Qs. And here's your top trending tickers. We're going to pay attention to PDD as we got some Chinese movement in some of the stocks. Best Buy, Goog, BIDU, and a few other ones that interest us. So far, earnings this week have not been too spectacular. We got some upcoming ones that got our attention. Best Buy, CrowdStrike, Big Lots, Chewy, ChargePoint, And then we got a few other closing out the week that have our attention, as we're looking at Okta, Five Below, and a few other interesting ones that are ending out Thursday. But all in all, this is going to be a low week for the earnings. Top news: Wall Street reacts to the rate hike concerns that persist. So the U.S. stocks closed lower on Monday, adding to last week's sharp losses on nagging concerns about the Federal Reserve's determination to aggressively hike interest rates to fight inflation, even as the economy slows. So definitely no steam loss in that one. We still like this one for continuation to the downside as the market as a whole. This was an interesting read. Peloton pursues U.S. judge to send sales tax lawsuit into arbitration. So the U.S. judge on Monday handed a victory to Peloton Interactive, saying that subscribers must arbitrate their claims that the maker of the at-home bicycles improperly charged sales tax on the memberships in New York, Virginia, Massachusetts, and Oregon. Tesla's in the news again and has a lawsuit to challenge Louisiana's refusal to allow the company to sell vehicles directly to consumers. They're calling it anti-competitive. So definitely paying attention to that. Usually anytime Tesla has some sort of litigation going on, they usually see a little bit of a dump until the lawsuit is completely done and there's a verdict on the decision. All right, enough of that stuff. Let's go ahead and look at some charts and try to get some plans in motion. Still bearish on this ticker, but I want you to pay attention and watch for a relief rally tomorrow. We had a significant dump on Friday, and it still had continuation today, but I don't want you to get caught slipping thinking that we are not going to have this relief days while we're still continuing on a downward trajectory. XLU, I'm bullish on utilities, guys. I think at this level where we're at, we may have a little bit more downward sliding, but eventually we're going to hit that support level, and I believe that we're going to head back to the top side and create a new high. Bearish on this ticker, and in fact we got puts open on this one. I think we go down, and we'll find out at the bell tomorrow as they report earnings in the morning during pre-market, but I'm betting that we go and slide to the downside based off of poor earnings and poor margin levels that the company has based off of supply and demand issues and a few other logistical things. Peloton, at this current level, you can't help but be bullish on this. It doesn't really have much it can go down from the current levels where it's at. So I'm definitely bullish long term on that. Now, I want to be clear on that long term, all right? I got leaps open on this one, and I think this is a good opportunity to get shares and hold for long. I think they got the right idea with the particular platform, and also with potentially a deal with Amazon and selling their particular, exercise equipment on that particular platform will help to get these guys back on the right track. Bearish on this, as I think that this was a little bit too much too soon. I think we're coming back down to around the $60 area to retest those parts to see if we can hold in for the support, and then if we can, then I think that we got some continuation to the upside. However, I do think that this is coming down. Okta, I'm bullish on this one. I think that at the level that we're at currently, we're going to find that support and we'll get the rejection that we need. And I think they're going to do fairly well in earnings, and potentially we'll have a breakout at this current sideways pattern that we've had for a while. Microsoft, I do think that we potentially could have a little bit more downward pressure. However, at this current level where we're at, the probability of us having a rejection from this point, at least a temporary relief, is high. So I am bullish on this particular ticker, not only long term but near term as well. Even though we could see a little bit more downward pressure, I think that we would have that relief hit first before we'd see a buyer's exhaustion and then an eventual downward trend. And finally, this was our YouTube trade, and I do think that we're bearish on this particular ticker. I'm going to look to secure the remainder of our position at the bell volatility, as Chewy is popular and I could see them booming into earnings. However, I still think that they're going to fail on earnings and we'll see a dump to the downside. So I'll probably leave some runners just in case, but I want to make sure I secure at least 80% of my main position so that no matter what the runners do, it's all net profit at the end of this particular trade round trip. All right, team, that's it for the main part of the video. If you want to stay and check out what kind of upcoming Traders War Room products and services we have, stay tuned. If not, hey, let's go out there and make some money. And as always, let's go to war. First up, our formal options trading university course starts tomorrow and it's 6 weeks long, 2 classes per week. We had a whole bunch of registrations come in today, so thank you very much for those loyal members that truly know what's up and you guys want to truly learn and grow. If you're interested and are serious about trading, then I highly recommend that you take our Traders War Room Options Fundamental course. From the cradle to the grave, you're going to learn everything you need to know to be successful with options trading. Learn more at traderswarroom.com/optionsuniversity. Register today and I'll see you in class tomorrow. Finding it hard being consistent? Well, I got something for you, okay? Book a Traders War Room one-on-one mentoring session today and let us help you develop your skills, gain that confidence to be a killer trader, receive some pro guidance, and refine your current strategies with pro perspective and explore new plans of attack. Book your session today. Every session is recorded and you, the member, receives that recording as a tool and a reference point. Book today at traderswarroom.com. We believe that every battle needs a plan, and we want you to build your plan with Traders War Room. So come check out our inventory of upcoming and historical classes that we have. Guys, we got various topics on everything to make you a more successful trader, and at $15 a pop, you can't beat the quality and the content that we put out. Come check out what we have in store at traderswarroom.com and get your knowledge on. Less noise, just alerts. That's what you'll receive on the Traders War Room instant messaging alerts platform. If simple is what you want and you're overwhelmed with the current platform that you're on, we got you covered, guys. 2 channels. You get an alerts channel and a lounge channel. Lounge channel so you can connect and network and message with other members, and the alerts channel so you can get all the real-time buy and sell alerts and all the information for DD on good ideas to invest and trade, and we got you guys covered. So if you're looking for a little more simpler platform, this is definitely something that may interest you. And here's all the links to all of our most popular items. Guys, do yourself a service and at least check some of them out, okay? We're not here to do high pressure sales because the proof is in the pudding and we believe and stand behind every single one of our products. But definitely come check out what we have in store. As I said before, truly something for everyone, every trader, every style, and every type of budget. So come trade with the bulls at Traders War Room and let's get it. And with that said, guys, the video is complete. We want you to quit wasting that money that's not making money. We want you to come trade with the bulls. Join today. The link's in the bio. traderswarroom.com for more information. And as always, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war together.